In pictures, snowstorm in Buffalo. Heather Ahmed shovels snow on Saturday, November 19th. She is among many residents of the Buffalo, New York, area who have to dig out thanks to a historic storm. Heavy snowfall is pounding parts of western New York State. A historic storm, which has already halted traffic on major roadways, threatens to topple trees, damage property, and knock out power as temperatures plunge. Snowfall totals have now reached over 6 feet in at least 2 locations. Orchard Park, where the Buffalo Bills had been scheduled to play their now relocated NFL game Sunday, reported snowfall of 77 inches. Here are some images of the storm in the Buffalo area. Residents push a stuck vehicle in Buffalo on Friday. Snow blankets homes on Friday. Zaria Black clears snow from her car on Friday. Emergency crews transport an ill patient amidst the snowstorm on Friday. A car sits in a snowdrift on Friday. A man walks through the snow with a shovel on Friday. People help dig out a plow from heavy snow in Hamburg, New York, on Friday. A man uses a snowblower to dig out a vehicle on Friday. Residents walk in the snow on Friday. Buffalo City Hall is shrouded during a snowstorm on Friday. Firefighters work the scene of a car accident on Thursday. A cloud of snow is seen crossing Lake Erie as extreme winter weather hits Buffalo on Friday.